A great camping experience starts with the right gear, and a comfortable, durable chair is essential. Whether you're relaxing by the fire, enjoying a scenic view, or spending time with loved ones, the right camping chair can make all the difference. In this video, we explore the top 5 camping chairs, each designed for superior comfort, stability, and convenience. Let's get started. First up, the GCI Comfort Pro Rocker Camping Chair. If you love the gentle sway of a rocking chair but don't want to be limited to your porch, this one's for you. Featuring GCI's patented spring action rocking technology, this chair lets you rock smoothly even on hard or uneven terrain. It's built tough with a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 250 pounds, and the breathable mesh backing keeps airflow steady on warm days. Plus, it comes with a cup holder and a phone pocket. Small but essential details that make relaxing outdoors even better. And let's not forget the easy setup and shoulder strap for carrying, practicality at its best. Next, we have the ever-advanced Oversized Folding Camping Chair, designed for those who want extra space and maximum durability. This chair is built to handle up to 500 pounds with a reinforced steel frame, making it one of the toughest options out there. The high-back design provides great support, while the wide seat allows you to sit cross-legged or stretch out in total comfort. Bonus features include a swivel cup holder and a mesh pocket for storing essentials. And despite its robust construction, it folds up easily and weighs just over 16 pounds, making it travel-friendly for any outdoor adventure. For those who prioritize stability and convenience, the Kijaro dual-lock folding camp chair is a solid pick. Its unique locking mechanism keeps it securely open for a sturdy seating experience, while the no-sag seat design ensures you stay comfortable for long hours. The diamond ripstop polyester is durable and resistant to wear and tear, and the breathable mesh back prevents overheating. It's rated for up to 300 pounds and comes loaded with handy extras, including 2 cup holders, an organizer with zip and mesh pockets, and a carry strap. If you're looking for a chair that blends reliability with portability, this is a strong contender. Now, if you're camping as a couple or just want more space, the KingCamp Double Camping Chair is the ultimate love seat for outdoor relaxation. This oversized 2-person chair is built for comfort, featuring soft padding and a breathable mesh design to keep you cool. It's rated for a massive 550 pounds, making it an excellent choice for 2 people, or even for cuddling up with your pet. The standout feature? Built-in wine glass holders. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're sipping wine by the fire or enjoying a casual drink at the beach, this chair takes outdoor lounging to the next level. It also folds down compactly and weighs just over 13 pounds, so carrying it around isn't a hassle. Last but certainly not least, we have the Dowinx Oversized Rocking Camping Chair. This chair is all about relaxation with its ergonomic rocking motion, thick back and headrest, and spacious seat that lets you sink in comfortably. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and double-layer Oxford fabric, it supports up to 300 pounds and is designed to last. The thoughtful additions, a cup holder, back mesh bag for extra storage, and soft armrests, make this chair a dream for anyone who loves to lounge in style. And with no assembly required, it's as easy as unfolding and sitting back to enjoy the great outdoors. Each of these chairs brings something unique to the table, whether it's rocking comfort, oversized durability, or a cozy love seat for 2. No matter your camping style, there's a perfect seat waiting for you. So, which one will you be kicking back in on your next outdoor adventure?